guess. You've all seen end of the world movies, right? Where the world floods or gets wrecked by an earthquake or a volcano. Well, the flooding one might be a little more probable than you would think. We're going to talk about some of the effects of unprecedented melting of Arctic glaciers. I've done a lot of extensive research over this from newspapers, magazine articles, and a lot of online research. Up next, we're going to go over some of the effects of that. First off, there is a specific glacier in Switzerland that's been, freezing and melting as the years go past. Because of the excessive melting, some dead bodies have been recovered, like long lost dead bodies, like from 1800s and if not older, but they're perfectly preserved. And the reason they were even exposed was due to the longer, hotter summers and these shorter, not quite as cold as they should be winters. Not given this is Switzerland, this isn't Texas, this is a whole lot colder. But still, that's crazy, right? Now, I actually found this out in a GQ article. I know it's kind of a weird place to find this, but I did. It was super interesting. Now, I don't know about you guys, but even if I'm out exploring in the snow or whatever, the slopes, skiing, snowboarding, I don't want to stumble upon no dead body because they're gonna think I did it, and that's kind of weird. Anyways, moving on. Did you know those gigantic chunks of ice, not icebergs that sunk the Titanic, but glaciers move a little bit? Well, they moved a little bit in 2015. They were moving an average of 2 inches per day. That doesn't seem like a whole lot. Well, this year, 2018, they're moving an average of 82 feet per day. Inches to feet, that's drastic. That's massive. These gigantic things of ice are moving 82 feet. And that's due to the melting of the ice. Less mass, they can move faster. Found this out in a popular science article I found, which was, I didn't really expect to find anything like that in popular science, but I did. Now, I don't know, once again, I don't live anywhere near a glacier, but I don't want to look out my back window and a gigantic body of ice is just slowly moving across the horizon or at me. One or the other. I don't want to be there. I don't want to be in there. So where does all this melted ice go? That's a huge, large amounts of it. Well, between the years of 2003 and 2010, 46 gigatons of water from an Alaskan glacier have been melted. That's 900 trillion cups of water. It's a lot of water. Found this out off of NASA's website. It's the first thing that pops up when you Google melting glacier. It's crazy. It's a lot of water. I can express that. That's a lot of cups of water, right? So in conclusion, we talked about some effects of the unprecedented melting of Arctic glaciers, right? We talked about it's uncovering long lost things such as dead bodies. We talked about how they're moving. I don't think anyone knew that they actually moved that much nowadays. And also found out that's a lot of water that's being dumped into the surrounding oceans, which raises the sea level everywhere, right? So, all in all, this is about climate change. This is the fact that climate change is actually a big deal, that we should be active about it and take some interest in it. Because if not, you're going to have to learn how to swim really good. Really, really good. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.